Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and get logged in right in your Peacock TV. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, let's go ahead open our phone browser, or you can simply go ahead open up your Peacock TV app that you have installed right there in your mobile phone as well. Once you're right there in your browser, go ahead, go to search bar and simply type in peacocktv.com. Once you do that, if you have your app open, once you open your app, you will simply be able to find this kind of interface practically with the Peacock's logo and the two options including sign in and get started. One is for definitely for you to create an account if you do not have an account for you to log in. If you already do, then you will simply have to tap on the sign in option. Once you tap on it, this basically will give you a form option where you will enter your account information including account's email and the password or the username. Once you're done and entering correct information, let's say if you're confused with any of the information, you can tap on forgot password option as well, if in case you're confused with your password which is not letting you have the access for you to log in. And you can reset your password as well using your email address that you have used to create your account. Once you're done resetting as well, simply tap on this login option which will light up after you enter the correct information right there. So yes guys, this is basically how you can get into your Peacock TV app or your browser to start watching your favorite show. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.